Remember the first time we met, my love. Your innocent smile was so captivating. That was the time we both fell in love. From that moment I just knew you will be mine. But life has its own way of changing circumstances. You left and married another and built a life away from me. Though we went our own separate ways, I still remember the first time I saw you and your innocent, captivating smile. Now that things have changed and you're not married anymore, we have come in full circle, my love. Like the first time we met, let us walk together and love like we should have done before. Yes, my love, let us walk together and love like we should have done before. Remember the first time we met, my love. Your innocent smile was so captivating. That was the time we both fell in love. From that moment, I just knew you will be mine. But life has its own way of changing circumstances. You left and married another and built a life away from me. Separate ways, I still remember the first time I saw you and your innocent, captivating smile. Now that things have changed and you're not married anymore, we have come in full circle, my love. I am also alone and on my own again. I have been longing for your return. My love, will you be with me like the first time we've met? Let us walk together in love like we should have done before. Yes, my love, let us walk together in love like we should have done before. Oh.